Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have CUBOT KingKong Mini 3 and I want to show you how add website shortcut icon to our home screen on this device. To do that, open Google Chrome application, where we must find our website which we want to add to our home screen as shortcut icon. Where we are on it, we press 3 dots on the right corner and there add to home screen. As you can see, now we can custom name of our shortcut icon, we can add manually, we can custom it, we can delete something or add what you need and prefer, and after we set it, we press add and add to home screen. And that's all, we have our shortcut icon on our home screen right now. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!